Hello, Namaste, Kukam-san, all my dear South Indian friends. I'm here, Dr. Tara, specialist neurologist. Today, I'm making this video for specialist South Indian friends. So many South Indian people they don't know Tarasuri Clinic and Dr. Tara. Tarasuri Clinic and Dr. Tara giving and serving specialist neurologist like vertigo problem, cervical spondylitis issue, frozen shoulder problem, tennis elbow, lumbar spondylitis issue, sciatica problem, knee problem, and rheumatoid arthritis issue. If you have these any kind of the disease, you have to visit only one time Tarasuri Clinic. Then you declare it, you choose it. Okay. If you have not satisfaction, you can stop that day. We giving best treatment here. If you consult many doctor, still your problem same. You have to visit one time. And other doctors, if they suggest you have to go to surgery, don't go immediately surgery. You come here only one time. Then you go to surgery. Okay? Here we giving best treatment for neuro problems. Okay? Please share it for your family. Thank you.